Let me show you how to fetch data from an external web API using async await. Let's create a function called getData. But before we dive in, remember to mark this function as asynchronous by adding the async keyword at the beginning. This ensures non-blocking execution. In order to fetch in the browser, we have the fetch function and we can pass the API URL. So let's use dummy API. This is a JSON placeholder API we fetching the user's data. Okay. When working with asynchronous code, we prepend the await keyword before the fetch function. This allows us to pause the execution of our code until we receive a response from the API. Let's store this in a variable called response. Then data need to be converted from JSON to JavaScript object. So we have our data in the JavaScript form. So let's simply log data and call this function and execute command in the terminal. And there you have it. With just a few lines of code, we have successfully fetched data from an external web API using async await. That's all for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more coding tutorials.